In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the Moomoo app. This includes signing up, depositing money, buying stocks, selling stocks, and withdrawing money. The first step is to sign up using the link in the description of the video. If you use the link, you'll get free stocks including Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, and others. Once you're on this page, click on sign up and enter your phone number. Now you need to set up a password that includes at least 3 uppercase, lowercase, number, or special characters. After that, you need to open your account. To do so, click on the open account button. Next, you need to choose your identity. If you're from Singapore, you can verify your identity with SingPass. If you're from other countries like the US, Canada, or Australia, simply follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Next, you need to fill in your tax information. You also need to provide details about yourself including your current employment status and financial information. Next, you may need to verify your phone number again. After you sign up for a new account, it will usually take a few days for your account to be approved. In some cases, it may take 1 to 3 business days. Once the review process is complete, you need to download the Moomoo app from the App Store or Google Play Store and log into your account. Once you've logged into the Moomoo app, you need to deposit money into your account. To do so, tap on Accounts, tap on More, and tap on the Deposit button. Now, you need to select your local currency. If you are in the US, Canada, Australia, or other countries, simply select the first deposit method and follow the on-screen instructions to deposit money into your account. But since I'm living in Singapore, I will select the instant deposit via DDA method. Now, you need to select your bank account to deposit using DDA. For example, DBS. Now, you need to link your DBS or POSB account using your digibank login. After you've linked your bank account, simply enter the amount of money that you want to deposit. For example, $10. And tap on the submit button. If this is your first time depositing money using DDA, it will usually take 1 business day for your money to arrive. Otherwise, it will just take a few minutes. If you want to buy US stocks, you need to convert your local currency into USD. To do so, tap on Accounts, tap on More, and tap on Currency Exchange. Now, you need to enter the amount of local currency that you want to convert into USD. For example, $10. And select Submit. You also need to enter your trading password. Your request has been submitted. The request will usually take about a few minutes to complete. Before you start buying US stocks, do note that the market only opens during 9:30 AM to 4 PM ET from Monday to Friday. It is closed during weekends and public holidays. To buy US stocks, tap on the search icon and search for the stock that you want to buy. For example, Palantir. Select the stock and tap on Trade. Now select the order type and change it to market. Enter the quantity of the stock that you want to buy, for example, 1 share. Now tap on Buy and enter your trading password. Now tap on Buy and tap on Continue. Confirm the order. Congrats, you have successfully bought 1 share of US stocks. To sell stocks on Moomoo, navigate to the stock that you want to sell, for example, Palantir. Tap on Trade. Change the order type to Market. Now, select the quantity that you want to sell and tap on Sell. Continue and confirm your order. Congrats, you have successfully sold a share on Moomoo. To withdraw money from Moomoo into your bank account, you must first convert USD into your local currency. To do so, tap on Accounts, tap on More, tap on Currency Exchange, and convert USD into your local currency. Choose the amount of money that you want to convert, for example, $10, and select Submit, and confirm. After you've converted USD into your local currency, you can start withdrawing money into your bank account. To do so, tap on Accounts, tap on More, and tap on Withdraw. If you've previously deposited money from your bank account into Moomoo, Moomoo should have your bank account details. Simply enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw, for example, $10, and tap on Withdraw. You have successfully submitted a request for withdrawal.